How to use Discord emotes. Discord emotes are small images or emojis used to express reactions or emotions in chat. To use emotes, simply type the emoji name between colons like smile or click the emoji icon in the chat box to browse all available emojis and emotes. You can use standard emoji available on all servers, or if you are on a server with custom emojis, you'll see those in the list as well. Nitro users can even use custom emojis from any server in direct messages or other servers. When you hover over a message, you will also see an option to react with an emoji. Click the reaction icon and choose an emote to add your reaction instantly. If you want to quickly find an emoji, start typing its name after a colon and Discord will auto-suggest emotes. What's your go-to emote in Discord chat? Let me know about it in the comments below. Emotes make conversations livelier and help you express yourself better on Discord. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.